Well, that's right. Now, Finance Minister Arun has brought smile on the faces of taxpayers in this budget. Well, let's try to understand, first of all, that what are the taxes, and we'll also try to understand that exactly what and how much you save during this budget. Well, so let's try to understand that exactly what are the tax slabs over here. Now, talking about the citizens or the individuals, there were expectations that the exemption limit should be increased. But Finance Minister Arun played a smart role, and instead of increasing the exemption limit, the tax has been slashed to 5%. So this bracket, 2.5 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees. So this strata or this income group will now be paying 5% tax instead of 10%. Well, rest everything is same. Up to 2.5 lakh rupees nil. 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupees, it's 20%, 20%. So that means in this fiscal and the next fiscal also, the taxpayers will be paying 20%. And above 10 lakh rupees, it's 30%. And over here also, that means in the next fiscal year, it will be 30%. But important part, the relief is also being translated to the senior citizens as well. So let's try to understand it, what exactly has been done with the senior citizens. Well, up to 3 lakh rupees in 2016-17, the senior citizens were paying nil. And in this, that means in 17-18, they'll be paying nil. But interestingly, 3 lakh to 5 lakh rupees of strata, in this fiscal year, they are paying 10% of their income, but now they'll be paying 5%. So that has been translated over here, and rest everything remains the same for the senior citizens as well. But important part, now the question which everybody would want to know, that how much you save. Let's try to understand. Now look very carefully this strata. 3.5 lakh rupees to 5 lakh. Now what we consider, this is a middle income group strata from 3.5 lakh to 5 lakh rupees. So earlier you were paying 5,000 rupees as a tax as far as 3.5 lakh is concerned. Now you'll be paying 2.5 or 2,500 rupees. That means you are saving 2,500 rupees on your taxation part. Now same thing is with 4 lakh rupees, 4.5 lakh rupees. So that means this strata from 3.5 lakh to 4 lakh rupees, you're saving 2,500 rupees. So that's an important part for the middle class. Talking about the upper middle class also, from 4.5 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees. So technically you're paying you're saving 5,000, 7.5 thousand on this part. So now people who are earning 10 lakh rupees, that's a higher, that's what we consider the higher part. On the 10 lakh rupees, earlier you were paying 1.25 lakh rupees. Now you'll be paying 1 lakh 12,500 rupees. That means you'll be saving 12,500. So these two higher groups will be paying 12,500 rupees. So the idea behind this entire move was to give relief to the middle class group or the upper middle class segment, and to tax the higher segment. That means anybody with a tax group of 50 lakh and 1 crore, additional surcharge of 10% has been imposed. So that's the idea, a very smart move. Again, we'll try to look at these slabs if in case. So this is a smart move of imposing only 5% rather than 10%. So basically, Finance Minister has played an important role in order to bring smile on the faces of taxpayer, and it's a win-win situation for the government and for the taxpayers, because government will be in a position to widen the tax base, and the taxpayers will also be saving money on their income.